One of the most common questions we're asked is from small business owners of what do I need to know about the Affordable Care Act? How does it impact me as a small business owner? And really there are three main provisions that affect small business owners. One, it's vitally important for small business owners to know that if they have 50 or fewer employees, there is absolutely no mandate that says they have to offer insurance. There's no fine, there's no penalty for those businesses. There are a lot of things in health reform that try to encourage small business owners to purchase insurance for their employees, but there is no penalty if they choose not to. The second provision that's important for small business owners to know about is tax credits. So starting in 2010, small business owners were eligible to receive tax credits to help them purchase insurance for their employees. If a small business owner pays at least 50% of the premium for their insurance, they are eligible up to 35% of what they pay as a tax credit back to them. Nonprofits are actually also eligible for these tax credits. They can receive up to 25% of what they are paying towards their employees' health insurance back in the form of a tax credit. In order to be eligible for the tax credit, you have to have fewer than 25 employees and average annual wages less than $50,000. To get the maximum credit, you have to have fewer than 10 employees and average annual wages less than $25,000. Starting in 2014, the tax credits actually increase. So small business owners that are for-profit can receive up to a 50% tax credit. Nonprofits can receive up to a 35% tax credit if they purchase insurance through the new health insurance exchanges. Once the exchange kicks in, those credits can be received for up to 2 years. Finally, the third thing that small business owners should know about health reform is the impact of the health insurance exchanges. Starting in 2014, states will have established a health insurance exchange. This is a marketplace where small business owners can come together, purchase insurance for their employees, and it's competitive because these small businesses can band together to create larger pools. That brings down prices because of that pooling the risk. So if one small business has 15, 20 very healthy employees, another small business, maybe they only have 10 employees, but 2 or 3 of them are sicker, they currently would have very high insurance costs. But by being able to enter the exchange and spread that risk among a much bigger pool, it brings down costs for that small employer.